how to run TikTok ads for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to run ads on TikTok to promote your business and profile. So let's get started. We know that TikTok is a short video sharing platform and it has become very famous since 2020 and everybody loves TikTok and it has a huge audience now. There are millions of people using TikTok every day. We know when there is a platform this famous, a platform which is this famous, we get a lot of opportunity and we can create our own business there and we can promote our business using that platform. TikTok is used to share videos and we can now also share stories. We can grow our account. We can get millions of followers on TikTok. And with TikTok, we can actually promote our business by running ads. There is a ad option available on TikTok that allows you to run ad. So what I want you guys to do is simply go to tiktok.com/business. Once you get to tiktok/business, this is where you will find TikTok for business. And in here, we can not only create our ads, we can not only sign up for a business account, but we can also get our own creator studio. So to create your own ads manager, to get a guide to TikTok, we can use TikTok for small business and for large business as well. What is the difference between a small business and large business ads manager? So this is the ads manager for small business, and we have 4 steps that we have to follow in order to create ads on TikTok. So the first thing is going to be setting a goal. You have to choose a goal that you want to promote a business, or you want to promote a website, or you want to get more audience. What's your goal? Then we have to select the audience. So on TikTok, it kind of like works with how we use Facebook ads, but TikTok is of course different. We can select audience, and in audience we can target audience according to gender, according to different regions and age group. On TikTok, you might think that only teenagers use TikTok, but that's not true. You can add any kind of product on TikTok and you can get audience from any age group. Even old people use TikTok, kids, teenagers, everybody uses TikTok now. So we have this broad audience that we can target using TikTok. That is why we use TikTok for ads. So the third step is setting up a budget. There is a budget on TikTok. It's not free. TikTok ads, you will have to set up a budget, but it's not that expensive. You can maybe select $20 daily budget or $10 for daily budget, and that's how you can simply move on and create and run an ad for a week or for a month on TikTok. Then the last step is, of course, when you have set up your audience, you have set up your goal, you have set up your budget, you will design your ad. When it comes to designing the ad, we can go ahead and add pictures, we can add videos, we can create a TikTok involving the product. And we, again, because it's a short video sharing platform, so we create ads like this and they will be shown just like how you see your regular TikToks on your mobile phone. Then we have TikTok for a large business. So there is no such difference, but there is a difference that you will get your own more depth tools when it comes to a large business. For example, we get our own conversions. We get tools such as custom targeting, automatic targeting. Then we can go ahead and select the locations. We can do automation. So with large business, like if you have a huge business, then you will of course need more tools to create professional ads. And that is why we can sign up for large business or a small business. But most of the time, a lot of people have small businesses and they want to promote it. So you can select the type and then you can click on create now. It will take you to your ads manager on TikTok. If you already have a business account on TikTok, then you're good to go, or you can create a brand new account. So what you need to do is, in order to sign up, you have to enter your email address. Then you will enter your password, confirm password, and it will send you a verification code. It depends if you have selected an email or a phone. It will send you a verification code on your email or your phone number. Enter your verification code and then you can click on by signing up, I agree to terms and conditions. Click on sign up and you will be able to sign up for a brand new business account on TikTok. Once you sign up, then you will get your own business account on TikTok. And with business account, you will be getting your own performance and audience data, business content guide, video showcase, and a commercial music library where you can explore for more than 5 million free sounds. And then we also get our own web business suite. This is really important. This is where we can download our analytics data, we can view our content creation, we can check our creative hub, we can access our TikTok for business, and we can also access our website. It's like a meta business suite. So we get our own web business suite right here on TikTok. So once you create a business account, then you will be able to create ads very easily. Another thing that you can do is you can actually pair up with marketing partners. When it comes to creating ad, we're actually doing marketing for our TikTok, right? So you can actually go ahead and partner up with different marketing agents and partners that are available right here on TikTok. And we get a lot of different, partner specialities such as campaign management, creativity measurements, effects, and commerce. We also get different sounds if we partner up with TikTok for our marketing. So that is how you can actually save your money, save a lot of time, get free sounds, and get the official, make TikTok your official marketing partner for your business to actually create official and professional ads for your business to run a successful business online. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of business you are. If you are into a clothing business, if you are into a software business, if you are into a food business, whatever niche you are in, whatever category you deal in, you can create ads on TikTok. There are no limitations, but yes, you have to keep in check. Content should not be explicit and sensitive, and also your ads should meet the TikTok community guidelines. It's really, really important. But then you will be creating a simple TikToks. You can also review your ads, and you can simply go ahead and sell your product online using TikTok. And then we can not only, create ads. You might be wondering that we can create ads on TikTok, right? But what happens after you create an ad? So we can also track our results. If you don't have to go to any other platform for the results, and you don't have to go to any other platform to get your insights, we get our own option right here on TikTok that allows us to optimize and track our TikTok campaigns. And you will be able to customize and visualize campaign analysis based on the metrics that matter most for your business. So TikTok is all in one platform. You can enjoy making TikToks, create fun ads, and then also get your own analytics and results for the ads. You don't have to go to these expensive marketing platforms and ad platform to create ads. You can use TikTok to simply create your ads and run a successful business online. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use TikTok to run ads. This was a beginner's tutorial, an overview for you guys, so that you can get an idea that what is TikTok for business, how to get started, and how you can create your own ads for your business. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.